Hello everyone and welcome back to Happy Streamers, and today we're going to be talking about on how to use Discord. First of all, after you've got your Discord downloaded, what you want to do is head right over to settings. Once inside user settings, you can obviously go to appearance. This is app settings. You just want to come over to the app settings and you'll just want to fix your things up. Now, I like my dark, but if you want, you can make it white. I don't like white. Some people like it, not me. And then you've got a very compact way of messaging. I don't really like that. You've got your accessibilities as well. And this is literally just, to make your life easy. What's important is you come over to voice and video. After inside your voice and video, select your microphone. If you've got multiple microphone, make sure you select the one that you want to use, and then your headphones. After you've done that, now I've got 3 types of speaker. Right now I've disabled the other two. This is the only output that's available right now, and as you can see. And then there's 2 ways of using your input. One is this automatic. As you can see, anything, even if I snap my fingers, that lights up. But if I turn this off and just use my normal voice, not all my snaps are going right through. So you've got that, and then you've got your preview kind of thing, like your video settings, and then more for your audio. Now you could obviously disable this. Will give you a bit of a leg room, but I don't really use it that much, so yeah. So I hope and then after that, you just join a channel and make sure you can join VCs like this. You're gonna have chat channels where you can chat. You're gonna have voice channels, and if you want, you can also directly just call people up like this. Yeah. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.